Hello students. So today in this video we'll discuss the third chapter of class 3 English. The name of the chapter is The Things Wings Do. Before we start the chapter, let's talk about insects. So have you ever noticed that different insects have different kinds of wings? Well, in our day-to-day life, we all come across different types of wings. If you could recollect the wings, you will definitely figure out the differences between the wings. So in this chapter, we are going to read about different kinds of wings and the uses of wings. So with this, let's begin the chapter. Insects have wings of different shapes and colors. They also have different uses. So all the insects does not carry similar kind of wings. Wings are in different shape and color, and they also have different uses. Most insects have two pair of wings with one pair behind the other. These wings are used for flying. Apart from flying, they help an insect in other ways too. Flying. How fast can an insect fly? That depends on the size and speed of the wings. So the speed of a flying insect depends on the size and speed of its wings. An insect, say for example, houseflies, can go fast because they have small wings that flap quickly. So an insect which has small wings and flaps them quickly flies faster than the other insects. The same is true for honeybees. A honeybee can flap its small wings 225 times each second, and it can fly 22 kilometers in an hour. So the average speed of honeybee is 22 kilometers per hour. Isn't it fast for an insect? But butterflies drift from flower to flower. Drift means a slow movement. So butterflies move slowly from flower to flower. They flap their broad wings slowly. Sometimes they glide without flapping at all. These big wings could break if the butterfly flapped as hard as bee does. Hard coverings. Wings are not just for flying. In fact, a beetle's front wings are not for flying at all. These two wings are hard. So, beetle's front wings are not for flying because the two wings are hard. When the beetle rests or walks, it covers its soft body like two pieces of a nutshell. These wings help protect the beetle from being eaten by birds. When the beetle flies, it holds its front wings out of the sides. With these hard wings out of the way, the beetle can fly with its small back wings. So what make beetle fly? The small back wings, because front wings are not for flying because they are hard. Colors for hiding. Some wings have colors and patterns that make the insect hard to be seen. These wings look similar to the places where the insect rests. When the creature does not move, it holds still. It does not look like an insect. But why? Because the color or shape matches its surroundings and make it difficult to be spotted. It looks like a leaf or a stone or a piece of bark. The colors help the insect to protect themselves in order to hide from animals that might eat it. This kind of coloring is called camouflage. The coloring to blend the appearance with that of the surroundings is called camouflage. So grasshoppers have camouflage. When they sit on plants, their wings look like the leaves around them. Some moths have wings that look like tree bark. They can rest on trees without being found. Bright colors. Some insects do not hide at all. Instead, their wings have bright colors that can be seen from far away. As the colors warn birds that the insects are not good to eat, scientists say these wings have warning colors. So the bright colors on the wings of some insects act like warning colors, which warn the birds that the insects are not good to eat. The wings of the monarch butterfly have warning colors of bright orange with black. A bird might eat one of these butterflies, but after the bad taste of that meal, the colors warn the bird not to eat another one. So in case if a bird eats such bright color butterflies or insect and get bad taste, then the color warns the bird not to eat another one because they are not good to eat. Most people think wings are just for flying. Tell them about these amazing uses. Thank you.